Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today, we are going to explore the multiplication property of equality. This is a fundamental rule that allows us to solve equations by performing the same multiplication operation on both sides. Think of an equation like a balance scale. If the left side weighs exactly the same as the right side, the scale is balanced. If we have a certain amount of weight on the left and an equal amount on the right, everything is stable. But if we change the weight on one side, we must change it on the other to keep it level. This brings us to the golden rule of algebra. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. Imagine doubling the weight on the left side. To keep the balance, you must also double the weight on the right side. This concept of doing the same thing to both sides is the key to solving equations. Mathematically, the multiplication property of equality states that if you multiply both sides of an equation by the same non-zero number, the two sides remain equal. So, if A equals B, then A times C is equal to B times C, provided that C is not zero. Let's visualize this. Suppose we have the equation x equals 2. If we scale up or multiply the left side by 3, we get 3x to maintain equality. We must also scale up the right side by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So our new balanced equation is 3x equals 6. Both sides were scaled equally. Now let's look at a common problem. Here we have x divided by 3 equals 5. Our goal in algebra is always to isolate the variable, which means getting x by itself on one side of the equal sign. Since x is being divided by 3, we need to do the opposite to cancel it out. The opposite of division is multiplication, so we multiply the left side by 3. But remember the rule, we must also multiply the right side by 3. On the left, the 3's cancel out, leaving just x. On the right, 5 times 3 is 15, so x equals 15. Why exactly did we multiply? Because multiplication and division are inverse operations. They undo each other. Just like addition undoes subtraction, multiplying by a number undoes dividing by that same number. This effectively frees the variable from the denominator. This property works for negative numbers too. Consider x divided by 4 equals negative 2. Step 1 is to identify the denominator, which is 4. Step 2 is to multiply both sides by 4. On the left, the 4's cancel. On the right, negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, so x equals negative 8. A very common mistake is forgetting to multiply the other side. If you have x divided by 3 equals 5, and you only multiply the left side by 3, you have changed the value of the equation. It is no longer true. You must always multiply both sides to keep the equation valid. To summarize, remember that equations are like a balance scale. The multiplication property of equality tells us we can multiply both sides by the same non-zero number. We use this to isolate variables that are being divided. And most importantly, always apply the operation to both sides to ensure your answer is correct.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.